a code of conduct na ka bibisa.
No ka say wo mom will receive.
One appointee now will receive. Yeah. And then the look, how can we say what share situation na Sammy ko mu na ya wa beden woman is kind.
Oh, when I wouldn't say an panama describe video and say also odi kan ni twa picture.
Yes.
And to we na osire ne sika no. Say Sammy dey nim say ye twa picture na wie nti camera bia ni around.
Emra obu ko toje na wo pastor metel no. Ada no ama na sorry for na ntwa.
Tama no opa na chew no eno o ma ntwa o. But on the twa picture ni wie no we video no critically a. O say o mu twa picture ni wie ya na Sammy dane no.
That be tie obu twa picture ni wie no wase yanko kadum na koma me
say na make eno osire ne sika nti
Sammy wo kama e ba bonti o yanko kadum na koma sika ana Sammy dane no
enti wonu nim sa camera ni di nachi
ayi Agradaa ne de so no na ka kire nkrofo so obu twa
edru be o ka kire other person bia no gina o say on ma kwan na nipa na o twa video na kwan ma gina
yeah
she said it in the video here so
one a pepper what chimney no say guys so this can show o person man say ada what say say adu o so say just say omo ho no o sere omo
e be say video na ready and
yes mo mientie mo mbie voice ni nientie voice no ba oh
and makase onyame a mimindi mu no amesom no no onyame oyidi kire me no said you me mama hu amamu ani tesna sam nya no kore said you I will go back to the shrine and it is a promise because me jinya me dey say ni to me wo ho and ni to me ye djuma na do no ready yidi kire me no me jina ha ka kire Ghana fo nyina say said you me kire me say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia to him he is the next president the Mahmoud ya nyame kan of kore I will go back to the shrine and it is a promise. And I know what God will surely come to pass. Vote for Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. He is the next president of Ghana. Because I will go back and serve the gods. But
okay, once I no panel can pay time no, and I'm a catcher Ghana for say mami we. Nyami bia kasa nkyere no even abosom no so no kra no abosom ne kasa nkyere no. Oto wante hwio. Ono aya azao aya
onkaku.
Why no so kitadwen kase no de adwen kase nam kroma. Wana ka jo se ba mi wo me.
Oh, my view Beni awatete na basa so amano. My na airborne protection. Oni fo.
No mu den no. Onu mu no na mo den no.
Eye na na no de dada nkofo. Sansem no kra na ye nwie.
Debi, eno kra wo court.
Victims are omo okrom ha Agradaa abu omo no. Ye nka omo asem nwie o. Na me se matro challenge amano. Ebre bi wo twina no si me yire so no de me afra ne ade me ka je man nkasa. Ma mu ano me se ohia te ni mu ano. But me there no say oyo ba from today opa omo midi no won traf ayi no so no omo midi no won ka asemuti ame no hwe me ne no okroma sei. So your ba one family photo and one family photo and fan to the page no so no won kasa no won hwe de okroma sei. It is time say this woman get cutting it to size. Ya man na jinu okrom ha che. Wo bunkofo dwiankofo ya man no kwan won nam hono mu din semfu all because he said na abai be protected no. Na abai be protected no.
Because that's na abai na ozu be power say.
Me say what say. What you know baby crampo wa I don't know say wutie ya. What say osofu bi akwa gina ho say wono na ye mahama sofu.
Yes, she said it.
It is sa nipa no adeti na say yekoto abama no. When you shoot the word service you Charlie. I demand the president. Ebra no ye candidate. And then what you had said. May I always say, meeting They are a member of Movement for Change. And I continue to be a member of Movement for Change. But change in a born who they rule are changing our banner. You better make sure say a born by. You better make sure. Because a good time NDC before Bemua, we expect it's a Movement for Change. You better take over from NDC. Now that time, that's a or minor year, you buy yemre. What I say? A luti, and I'm a movie. Ya didn't say, yeah, man phone 2 foot through, and go gather for any bill. Yeah, no creno, ya better. But this woman may say any appointee in this government. So the woman yet your photo. So the Nijina baby, and in the Kaiga. The way I melt pro chromatic. The way I melt pro. Why? Let's see, NDC supporters calm down. A strategy. One who said, Krumha, a bansi sign, na the allegation say a month for Trisika goofy. Not the strategy, say, young fan to good. You do quabonte near Toa near Jessica or near Kudi. And then Yanko Pandum, good board abba. And also, Obia to me, export to good.
I just a good board.
O small Genia chose so the Anya somewhat too. Eti Aquano or your tough. Or no one as a sembra no him. Eti Anya ye, Yabba Brenasi. Yen is one Cassie and find new person Brano. Now, man for Etime Aborum. A part of the grand scheme, just to tarnish the image of this young man. Nobody should listen to them. And this is for wake up. Wake up. Yet you come here. Sikabeni who say, a man for we are. I didn't remember to declare. What is MPPDB Ekoko Kassetia? Sadi Pano. Yanka say, Obia Yesika. Mayenka Wasem. Sikabia Mamu. Etiobi, look, one no mammy Tifibra, what me a no try ye nam kama to so, Edia Mabon Tisuni. Now one now we and the bano. And no more their mouth, and no more their money about Tisuni. Now, Uzubu yam. So, Netem, Sunday Yasenity. Sunday Yaseno, Etie. Stand by your own. Now, more Baba Makwine. That Makwa support to MPP for no much to scandal number 1. We edge scandal. But move fuele, Abanakwa than scandal. So wake up. Must spend time will can't wait because Abano Yabba because near air corner. And trying to 2 I may check $1 rate a year 12.92 no. And that's so for the whole song. And no pami sorry neda honum say so atikakadia ye de nyankopɔ ase. Good. So let us protect it. Bibi say bibi ni say $80 ya eba for mo amwa mokoko apa yi. What do you lose? Dollar no ba for mo lose there. Are you not gaining rather? Eh? Mo na mo say we business people. Are you not people gaining? Eti ya besre moma bibia enye dey emra form send e be ya dwumadia omudie no ebe kosoro ni papra o ma president Mahama dwene se onye gold board no Mahama enda ni panase onda ni panase ya tu galamse ya she between October to now, that 4.7 billion. IMF for Mudim Yamashia going. Scarcely 3 billion. 3 billion. So we can raise our money here. By this gold board now, Bano. Say, move free IMF program we more. I don't think say Ghana will go back to IMF. No. Yeah, for IMF because your Forex is a problem. It's the pressure about 2 years old. Now, go do your tongue full 100% ever. First, obi asmage obi betuma kwa sene ebia 2 tons. Me ka say no dey buy 5 tons so far esumasi akọ. Sa 2 tons no dey akokra no 80% na se bag no ema. Ana magana your economy no aye stiff. No be a go gold. Why do we suffer? UK is making it because of the gold that egu ho. Sa gold ni na so ombesi se free Ghana. Ana obudi koye. Ana obudi koye. So we need to be like you say, you have to make sure say gold board no aye aduma. Maka Titi for me say obunti asese maka. Me say sisubio. By the end of Muhammad's term 4 years in Obesono, I can bet you say $1 bit to about 5 cities. Or less.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, don't let you go home. Okay, I can one eggy. Ode mami country Agradaa.
Okay.
Say Dr. Atufo say ne Dr. Governor design.
Siama. Yeah.
Dr. Siama. Say omutimi ka omutibum. No more fresh out the black market. I can tell you say Ghana. Yesi kasem do ko ye papa. Yeti kom ha se manager for na eba be determine ye economy amaye. Black market in here can Ghana for boys to grad the general no mo ye no munye sika kra. That is show mu Ghana ha se a. Nkenya problem. Under demonstration, we were saying Bank of Ghana has the rate, Aboji has the dollar.
Yeah.
So on your channel. Aboji for the guitar dollar.
Yeah.
Now, did you know Musuno? Near train Dr. Siama, Ajuna Basu say, well, directors, you know, more some of them are thieves. Do you know what they do? Oh, $200,000 enko Ebia UMB Bank. Ebia 100,000 enko NIB. We enko. Do you know what they do? The 200,000 enko, the Nebia the 100,000 enko. No people 100. We na kwa no achichemu a omo ankasa na de kokoma abochi for. Omo na this can kokoma abochi for no. Eti okwa this is the rate. Eti nya odi beka ho na nya media. No make sika into his private pocket. These are some of the things that are band check it. These are some of the things. Look, go to Forex bureaus to be. Yeah. One more and nobody go. Kwan yesi so mo fa so enya ade no wo bon so mo afa chire no makwa koye no mo jisika no mo dibu obuto. Check that. Na wo ba hu say afa economy no besesa ye be gina na so ama cedi na hoden atimi akosoro ye pa. Look, say aban bo modern wo de ya kwan nyina ntutu. That by the end of the term dollar 5 cedis a yakoto aba wahwe ombenya 70%. Me na make a joke. Because the victory of this country always determined by the business community.
Yeah, sure.
Always determined by the business community. It is what the media economy the year effect, you know. We want say masses ni nyina anya the effect. Eti afi debio afi na ana maye kwan wo fa ho. Wo ye kwan na ye. But near ehia no no ye the yefunu no first.
Yefunu no first.
It is how Timothy Sisa Adorye. Look, dog, mom put two task force together. Mom plan it. I mean, it should happen. I mean, simultaneously. Okay. That move fresh or more out. 1 month. That move guso. Si kabio beje from Hubiano, mum kofitv on fango go to government chest. Say Mahama Kemu say Hwanyu. No mu dia kwakotum. Ya de boga na ho ban. Because it's illegal to do that. Eti ejisika fru ho a, enya afi na abeba say misika say this say. Yes, started sad de no na ekoso a. Black market ebegu. Na fe concentration na your forest bureaus and then the bank. Ebasa obo say obi adu ho no ma fe na okwakọ determine say ni egagika ho. Me ko tudu na me say me kwa kwasesa ayi. Me hu so mo jeja ho na me ka chom say Besha da sesa eba kwa na me afia ne other ladies bi nenam. And I'm first person. What ball price na am so that be entisa. I was so sense was oh yes and me move here. The next one what boy ye no ne na me ka che guy ne say no what boy say na me that be brosa. Was oh enti say na wo hwehwe and me ka me price. What the mommy? What the mommy? So just imagine. Say obi eko eyinu opiska so on yete no wo call bank na yese bi ni ho me call bank manager bi ho e bi o hwe me mo bank ni But you want to man popular person, businessman, a friend, and also 2 coin. And to $1 say, or €1 say, na on farman. Was you what the truth one of Safafu, no friend. Aboji, rating here saying, bank manager. Mena make a joke.
Abra Bank of Ghana do rate Abba.
Was it Aboji rating here saying? That was 2022. Assembly maker. Aboji, saying, no, tiso kakra. Oh, tiso. One in the car, okay. Fase breme. Eti bank nisi ho. Ya fra bochi, ada bochi di dollar no. Aba bank. Say was a customer of the bank. How can we run a country like this? And let me example be. Will be testing me from South Africa. Say, they make an year no credit. South Africa, black market in all. And now we call Forex Bureau Krana. Now kita valid visa, return ticket. Yansi some out. Would you visa ni u ticket way? One provide. Okazi wenda wa msi debi wa printebra. One fa u return ticket anka one. U biya ni ho bese sama. What to adie ewo more? Why $1 no make us know? Go and change it. And maybe I will share the rand and the dollar now. Wa mu compete pa. So we can do the same thing here. $50,000. Obi kakra 50. Are we sick? Do you know why they do that? Because it's a dollar no every day air cost unity.
Or more.
But to adibi every obi ho. Na $32,000. And now, yes, 2 weeks. And yes, sense I was say Sikano or Bepe or the equivalent or Kutu Adeno Atu Hono. Minya Sikano na dollar number 4. And I'm call me calculate the was the two we say the current rate. Dam Babitriano, current rate. Adam Bitria. Me call any artist. Me this kind of man have everywhere because go do via no friend me no say set ma oje no na say na anam say na say current rate was you there be current rate no na me kire say that day anam say timi ba na ka so so was you there be that day here na eti oye ya ba me say agogo ye den ekokoso no so na eti be ye ko ye ya na say okay 150,000 Ghana cedis we know 150,000 na wo de ko etinye bi anim etie besre managers of the economy say womuma omuani enko eni akire no mu make sure be see ye black market free system no mu pe. I can tell you say Ghana ye nya problem with this depreciation of the cedi quickly 10 times debi ebetimi agina ne naso akonanim ana once ye wo Forex no hodum wutu kwan na wura banka wo betimanya sika no e di akono aboji fodo eya omo go fa dollar ni fini je no de ba debi and none 3 days ana obi friend ana wasilo Nigeria for ahun say dollar no ha no ayi okay omo ba na omo ba betuto so omo ntimi fa nkofa airport eto omo adigbo omo kam no omo dey across border. It's unfortunate say makano but we are sure say security agencies no ebia will be here. Let us look at that point too.
Okay.
But that's it.
Sammy yanko trade minister Honorable Elizabeth Ofoswaja. Won say good for the statement aba anko mo say edwadifo nte onyema no so kakra. Na me say edwadifo no agitations
say me to say bi mo say omoniema no mo toy in the previous
yes nti I say omotiso enye nti abeda ni argument between Guta members and then the minister.
Yeah, for me I think that the most important thing is there is reduction in the dollar. The concerns are the phony raising a legitimate concern. There is no doubt about it. Because almost on 16.5. Into him as a dollar about 13.5. None of motor in inside. omo beton in a new rate as omo boka. But the most important thing is a dollar no swat. In the coming days, maybe a week or two, Ghanaians will begin to see how beneficial the government has been as far as the dollar is concerned. Now, I think say Food and Beverages Association of Ghana, Fabak, almost say sugar is swatted by 7%. Rice is swatted about 10 to 40%. Wow. Osha Ghana so sugar ne rice ne maize ne sa ne diakotene. Nti me no any just a mame. Say nema so betete no nti na Ghana for to abamaye. Na me ne age say for the first time yehu how anema si koso a ya to abama a political party we are a part of this government no. We are seeing a campaign a in opposition no anyekwa. President Mahama ama enim engwase. The teaming young people of this country omoto santene koto waba. Ema President Mahama amma omonsanye de NC4. Yeah. Nigisem what say indeed there is a president odi woto no so eye. Oka asem kire wona akoka kire amansan obe deliver no ama nigisem aba intermediate. I wish the minister were, I wish all the ministers were, I wish the people of Ghana were. I want to congratulate and commend GUTA, AGI, and all the other stakeholders in our trade. We know. Say, campaign on any information on about Tema Ghana phone was that the NDC's policies was better than the MPP. No, are dead and it has reflected in almost every part of our national life. Maybe will be about so much. Commander Sony. In some of the atuja ebi movie enini omo share any we learn from it also.
The me ma won kra say ko catch on abo jina pose ne way ye kan say publicity no e wo form because me de mani to adwuma omo ya publicity no ma because once a press conference you omo ye it's like yeah story no online is dead and gone. Meanwhile, the content involved no ye game changer. Betimi asesa energy sector no because tuabo asesa energy sector. To see about ya fufraka ho I think it's a serious issue. Yeah, beneficial for you now was you discussing. Yeah. But as you're sweeping under the carpet and then nobody is talking about it. Even the ministry itself is not communicating about it.
I think we'll begin to trumpet it from today.
Exactly my point.
There's the whole week here.
Yeah, because that's why I may say me what problem with the energy sector. Now no say now you rating President Mahama 120 days no. Is the only sector meant me a man as a man say 80. Because all the sectors are communicating. Okwa sector Erikopoko no ni page crowd or na and rather say wo ko ni page na say oni Italy for bi ko mo de sika be she agri sector ni my meeting no atwa to so anything that I want to know about the agri sector communication now makra me ko ni page ami but there's no communication from the energy sector until doom so no people are trying to make some propaganda out of it but we know where the problem is coming from. And to say na ye baba ye gas plant fufra ebetimi ama ye more energy and as a megawatts and you are not talking about it won cheche assembly so then I think there's a problem. Commander.
Yeah, that's a minister and what can they say assembly here but nyama ba ku mienu bi ho a ye be appeal to the traders.
Okay.
Enyemre bia na aban be show so say ye say na say now dollar cost move and aban ye bibi o aban ye bibi so ohun e dem ba form no maba be commend aban all right fuel for about 3-4 consecutive times ba form o share other sector private and himbo what there let me use the fuel and then the dollar. Ya know your major component ya no mo ehweso e de toto nneoma mu so ye to fuel mu na affect o mu bibia dollar cost na affect o mu bibia ne ne kai ka ho nti saba the excuse they are giving it's not entirely true say ya kofa nneoma ba begu ho deda enya no kre enura amanfo yi nneoma enne amanfo be yi nneoma wo mu guso a wo mu yi enti no Se kasa na ye ntwen na old stock a tambe na old stock no besa.
We can't determine that.
So immediately no, at least ye kasa ya tete mi ama so e bia wo de 2% kra obi adim se mai dan.
Matis.
So ne tie no. Eye 1% kra na wo te so a Ghana for who say fuel bar from na dollar no so ye yi no ya temi amaso kakra e no e confidence bi eba by transfer near kasa yi dia yes the minister no we don't have a control price in Ghana once it's a liberal market no the only thing we can do is to appeal to them so on no but good for so and I say all traders say be anyo mu nyina nso na members of Guta but other members ni na together with Guta they so mu hu say baby a yedru no saba ye bibia won so no esese wo ye bibi to appreciate wo appreciate a enya aban no ana wo de ma but wo de ma wo customers no say yes mo say ade no board yes you put pressure say bibi positive change bi abade a then esese enso so ye we na ye de mamo enti ye besre say ye kan say edwadifo no ma wo montana say especially the drivers what to yimu kakra bia na drivers ye dede ye betum ya tete so a afi o da so ba go bi kan ya biti fuel dey tete so spare parts dey tete so look at this look at this
spare parts almost the dollar na ekra and is a dollar number for me was almost money back
it is a Kadeshi na ye fa ne say once ye fa ne say 2 series that guy say once the 80 pesos who lose bebre sa so that you know what is so passengers no so the budget that 20% pesos na we year free to no ye di check say e di mo bi so that you know because of 5 times wanya can say 1 cedi anamewa eti yesre omo adwadifo adrava fo ne omo mukika ka hu nyina no mo modern say mo so mbe ye bibi e dey appreciating ye aban eguso a boye no
Mame na commander ase papa na me na Dr. Ayenso ase 1 minute na
I think say generally no niema ekoyi nkakra all the indicators clearly are the purchasing power of the people, the quality of life of the people. Because driver need to fuel 72 Ghana cedis. Now auto 58 Ghana cedis. You can only know say the auto 58 Ghana cedis benya faso.
Yeah.
As in the auto 72 Ghana cedis. No. And it's good. This government has reduced fuel price from 72 Ghana cedis per gallon to 58. Until you talk 10 gallons of president, Mama save you 140 Ghana cedis, which is good.
Sure.
And until no to abamai. Now dollar no. Now you can just say the impact of dollar no reduction is serious. So
very serious.
Now so over $100,000. First we have 16.5 billion.
Yeah.
And now we have 12.8.
Yeah.
A serious idea. A best savior 24 pa. In fact, omo there 16 point. Omo to omo 65 is omo turn 12.5. Omo nyan for so boom within a short time.
Yeah.
Just because of a government policy. Just because of government intervention or buy Dr. Atufo send president Mama the Bank of Ghana governor Sammy Gyamfi good board. Omo ya.
To what is MP before cause mamu susu njimwani no mo so mo bae no saa na ekọ yo money bomb ho so na
money am nipa na oye head of economic management no nkasa babot be cause economic management kwa on the suggestion
na da bi me tin saa
so no nkasa o te ono nim de
oye na me bisa me ho sa mo bae na da 4 cedi let's assume na 3.8 ba mo say 4 da ben na ba from eba fu ama na mo kan wasem say se ne soro no nkete
na mo de ko ya ko do 17
nkete what rough mathematics more handy over 1 cedi 20 pesos
yeah
and if I 3.8 but yeah maybe I say 4
until they are 4 no
not 4 to 17 what there macros one in your calculation no one can say Why not born a woman?
So obi the only 4 months at so from 16.5 to 12.8. So what is 4 cities?
Measure NDC one no. Professor Mes John Mahama one no. Or the everyone CD 20 pesos to 4 cities.
Yeah.
And a Kufa Duba Umiabaye, and a few 4 cities to 70. When him say do 20 cities grants, I say about 17
pounds and quite do 25.
I do 20 something.
So we just had no more winning. Look. Obi antimi nka say eyi bia aban wa bɔ no homodin so wa wonete no eti bibia se say mo a eya na mo bɔ empire ma aban no mo nko so mo mpa ne meka aka ho ne say MPP is a decline party. We are young person now person enter into politics you know who MPP is not a political party. We are young guy. Now, person, we are politics. We waste time. Men wasting time. I am saying this for a fact. Look at Akufo-Addo from President Akufo appointments. See, we no more Christian church more. Akufo-Addo buy. Look at Obi ano ye YouTube. I Dominic Nitu that time. Now look at the age of Dominic Nitu.
Yeah.
So on that. Eti, we share the current government. Dr. Adorye, very young. Sammy Gyamfi very young. I mean, young guys. So, if you are a young person and you want to join politics, I would advise you for MPP put a big question mark there. Mengo kase me santininti mengo kase me maami wo munti ene de kaka hwe wan kasa kwanya obefa so a won be progress in life eno ede hia 2 years a ebebo me de metima kan no Dr. Tufosen Dr. Siama ne omom guy ka ho nyina no yesra mo so mo hu se de ekono and say yenya one day kura be kasa asa koso biom say perform sa ye dru ba bi ne pegi no hodum ne eja no hodum ane eja no
eno ano
so ana mo hwe say port ye duty a ye twa no port no e ba for me me de ka be nko a nanka o ma pegi dollar no hodum be 10 cedis ama
yi ejadifo no
eti anene de Wonyama bebia na the 10 cities instead of 12 something.
Yeah.
And the be calculate na bibia akọ.
I think it's a good advice. I think Dr. Atufosi na ye nim no otie advice pa. Dr. Atufosi I just say wa wunim no o nipa say. Oh krom. So na enro no ne John here press conference no.
Yeah.
It was on Friday and
oh okay and say me am fa.
Yeah,
go o ka joy onu na me de ba be me last say. Energy sector.
Yeah, money.
Amanfo hu say MPP for tuam na donko to energy sector hono. Sika energy sector do mu di ni nyina nso omuko.
Omuko. E ka da ho.
Okoko hweke da ho. Ni adwuma ya anye. Ya ntima nkra crude anto ho. Maintenance na enche da nkoso ni ade na. Look, the young man is suffering.
Yeah.
John Jinapo is suffering. I'm telling you, for us to be having this kind of light in the kika hono. Look, me okase me rating above all the ministers. Because problem na what tomu no still ano you doom so fun na eba na ye kasa hono. You have no idea.
MPP never so anka yawu.
You have no idea.
Omo to so anka yawu. We and dey na omo to na bua catch us already. Fa
ko timetable.
Fango asem free me so kwana wo da so mutimi no de wo re ka jo se dum siesie ai ko mo timi didi ni patem da right
o mi se dum siesie o mo kwa mo da e so ye ja dum siesie da dum siesie ne
dia ka de ye dum so
no under MPP under the whole Otunfo year complain in this country e bin see da under MPP I was say mo say me finish mo say me under MPP etada on
abo me network nje misra bwa na de no na ke me network no ma ya And it's Amina Commander Hopeson Adorye Ase na me bra panyin Dr. Sammy aye government spokesperson me na wo mase nyame enhira mo papa pa cho wa wo hwe ye na onya adaje so tie ye no ye da ase se de mama mani age mama mahu se CTV ewo krom pa because obi be hu me keke kra no watimi identify say ya mahu sa afa de wo ha esira say yes nyame aye adwuma ye da mase o chena ye be hia bye bye. I don't know.